In this tutorial, you will learn a modern blow dry for fine thin hair using a ceramic brush and a GHD Tong. We elevate our client's head up, placing our brush on the top of the fringe, placing the length over the brush. I direct the brush 90 degrees forward with firm tension. I leave this section to set over the face. This will set the roots directing forward. My next section is everything below the parietal ridge. We repeat the same process, directing the section forward. With tension, I rotate my brush 360 degrees, creating soft texture. In the top section, I continue to set the root area, directing forward. We repeat the same process on the opposite side, taking only 5 sections to complete the front zone. The main focus with this process is to stretch and smooth the follicle while setting the hair direction forward. With thicker hair textures, the blow dry would have created bouncy, twisted waves. I will be using my tongs for this step, as this hair texture won't hold any shape with the brush. We repeat the same process in the back zone, taking 3 sections on each side. Before blow drying, I prepare the hair with a light volume spray and a thermal protectant. In this zone, you can see the result of a twisty blowout. Let me know what you call this in the comments below, and be sure to let me know where you're watching from. When doing twisty blowouts, you'll find a ceramic brush will help you because it grips to the hair a lot better than a bristle brush. You may wonder why go to the effort of twisting out before GHD curling anyway. I personally feel like I can stretch the hair out and dry it a lot faster doing a twisty than just blow drying it straight. We start with zoning out our fringe using a center parting. I am using a light hairspray to create extra hold in each section. Holding my tong so the pointed end faces towards the face, I place the whole section into my tong with the silver clamp facing down. I flip the section over the top and twist my tong around so the clamp is facing up. I then wind my tong back towards the head, holding the tong where I want my first wave to start. I hold my tong in this position from 20 to 30 seconds. I now spin the pointed end under the section, flipping the section back up and over the tong, sliding the tong down and then winding back up under the previous wave. We repeat this step until we run out of hair. The thermal protectant will protect up to 235 degrees Celsius. The GHD Tong only reaches 185 degrees Celsius. Option to set the fringe over around the eye. This will create a modern pop once brushed back off of her face. We repeat the same step on the opposite side. I swap hands to direct the tong in towards the face, following the same steps as the opposite side, keeping in mind maintaining symmetry. I start my waves in the front zone to allow this zone more time to cool down and set, helping us to create a longer lasting shape in the curtain bangs and money piece zone. In the side zones, I direct the hair back off of her face. This will help to accentuate her cheekbones. The top section mirrors our fringe section, directing it forward over the face making sure my first wave starts at the same point as the fringe zone. This will create a long-lasting result on fine thin hair that doesn't hold a standard blow dry. I continue to set the hair and allow it to cool, molding it in with the front fringe zone. We continue the same process on the opposite side. Another great tip for a longer lasting blow dry is to blow dry the hair from wet to dry without taking out the moisture first. I have set the roots forward, allowing them to cool over my client's face. I am now using the heat to create tight ribboned curls using large sections, allowing them to set, starting in the front zone to aid in more longevity around the face shape, where the hair is even finer and more problematic to curl. Only taking 12 sections in this blowout. Repeating the same process in the back zones, I change hands with every new section. This will direct the curl the opposite way to the previous, creating a more undone, textured beachy look. This is a very quick and efficient way to create an amazing long-lasting blowout for your clients on the salon floor. Taking only 12 sections helps to create a more effortless, undone, natural look. If you like this color, you should watch my previous tutorial. You'll learn how to apply this stunning dimensional blonde with a bright blonde face framing highlights. It's an easy step-by-step application that you don't want to miss. The link is above and it's also in the bio below. I spray the curl with dry texture spray before brushing or combing them out, elevating my client's head back, combing the curls back off of her face shape, allowing more texture spray to the root area before elevating her head back up. This is my modern take on a Farrah Fawcett blow dry for fine thin hair. If you like this tutorial, you should watch this one next, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe icon.